I'll show you Batman. Hi. I'm impressed. Let's go. Good morning, you girls. Welcome back to my another video. Today we're going to one of the most popular waterfall park in Antalya. And I'll show you what in there, girls, and I'll take you along with us. Let's go. So girls, we arrived at the gas station and here's like a little loud, some sound. I don't know, maybe it's a gas, I don't know. So we always starting our adventure from this gas station, you know, because we need our sound is gone. So because we need our car is full for new adventure. So maybe that's why, girls, if you pay attention on my background, then you can see the same background. Always like. This is my snacks from my husband. Bon appetit. Girls, there's my favorite ice cream restaurant. Akdeniz Dondurma, the best ice cream in Antalya. So girls, we came at the location of this park and we just going to the casa. So because we need to get our tickets, because there is no free entrance, of course, because it's a touristic place. Obviously. So like this. And I'll show you what in there, girls. Today is amazing weather and a lot of sun, of course, and I love this. And today is Sunday, so that's why there's so many people and so busy. But this park is pretty big, so that's why I think it's not a problem for us. So girls, we entered to the park and starting our adventure. So here's a lot of natural, a lot of greens. I love it. Of course, palms. So beautiful. Look at that. Oh, so nice, so cute. Have a good day, guys. Hi, how are you doing there? Wow, we're so lucky we see there. Oh, you're so beautiful. Sleepy. Oh, take a shower. So girls, we came here before, like last winter one time, and we came here again now. So now we want to discover a new area. We didn't go there before, so let's see. I think there's, of course, beautiful, of course, because here's everywhere so much what you can't see. So girls, tell me, how's your week? What did you do? I hope you are doing great. Girls, we're going there, downstairs. I think there is another waterfall. Maybe there are different animals. We'll see. So girls, here is ground so smooth. That's why I just stopped video for a moment. So there is downstairs going water like a waterfall river, and there is small animals. Yes, and rest area. You can have a picnic here, you can have a rest, just sit and rest your feet. I did it. Look at that, girls. How it's huge. Oh my god, it's so strong. Like, so be careful, don't fall down. So here is so like a tiny road, and everywhere you have to be careful, otherwise you just fall down. Traffic, just people traffic, like this. Okay girls, let's go. So this is my favorite place. It's like canyon, so beautiful. And here's every time is wet, always, like this. Hi.
Hi.
Next level, underground. So let's go. Here we go. Oh my god. Now I'll show you girls nanotechnology. Look at that. Wow, of course it's like a design. Wow, girls, I'm impressed. You know, I have a surprise, girls, for you. I'll show you Batman. Actually, Batman's. So let's go. And now we're going upstairs. Downstairs, upstairs, downstairs, upstairs. I have workout everywhere and always. Right here, right now. Don't lose your time and keep going. Some information there. This is the Batman house. Girls, it's mouses. Look at that. Oh my god. You see? Oh wow. This is like a huge world. Oh my god. Look at these girls. Oh. So girls, there is a mouse's house, like a Batman house, but there's so awful smell, like terrible. So you can't stay here for a long time. I think your maximum is around 2 or 3 minutes. So, and there's sound so loud because they're just speak. But it's so amazing. It's like unbelievable. So many. So girls, do you like canyons? I love it. I saw my first canyon in Abkhazia when I was a child, like a school student, and it was amazing. So girls, I saw my first canyon in Abkhazia and I was a school student like this. And we just went to the camping, like mountain camping, and there was a canyon. So we came there by walk and swim like this. It was amazing, really. And that's what we came for. Big waterfall. Here you go, right here. Let's come closer. You see? It's like Russian metro. So many people, of course, because it's a touristic place like this. So I'll try to go there. So I'm just trying to go, girls. And of course I did it like this. Okay girls, let's come closer. Of course here is sound like loud. I hope you can hear me. So girls, the name of this place, Duden Park. In Turkey, waterfall şelale. So it's Duden şelale, like Duden Park, Duden Waterfall Park, like this. So how beautiful this view! Really, so beautiful, isn't it, girls? I wish you can come here and see this. So everyone everywhere wants to make photos and videos. So that's why sometimes it's a little bit difficult to manage this. So but it's not a problem. It's not a big deal. Girls, just look at this color. It's blue color, but it's not a. Actually, I don't know. So this water is not a sea salt water, and it's just a natural color. So it's make more sense to come here, girls. Do you need money? I can get money for you. So people believe they may get for luck. So that's why here's a little bit like sense. We're going upstairs again because exited there. But there is a little bit crowd. A little bit crowd. Just a bit. So let's go. Stones, everywhere stones. Oh, girls, I don't see my way. It's unbelievable. Wow. And we came here. So let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I don't know why I didn't take off my sunglasses. My husband said again, take off your sunglasses. Wow, girls, I need to show you. Look at this. Wow. And you always go in like a little bit, rest your knee. Wow, look at that. So you can look at the people from here. Girls, look at this. So you have to sit a little bit and just like this go. Just go like this because you can't straight your body. So, wow. You see, people little down, little sit and go. Wow, girls. So girls, the same view, but from different corner. It's still beautiful, isn't it? Girls, everywhere you have a competition, like a mission. Oof. So I have a target and I will do it. A similar view, but of course a different corner. Okay, let's go. Keep going, keep going. My workout didn't finish and I'm going up. So let's go. I think I need my sunglasses again. Here you go. We are outside. Oof. But it's a good experience. So I need my sunglasses. My eyes so sensitive because there is a reason. Here's very strong sun, so it's like a burn your eyes. Literally. The same view but different corner. Like this, girls. So girls, cool down. We need a little rest. I'm joking, but I think the hardest part of this park we have done. And now we're just calm walking, calm. Sakin, it's Turkish language, or language, like Turkish word, sakin, calm. So now we're just calm walking. The same view but different corner. Teşekkür ederim. Çok güzel. Girls, did you remember have sea animals? So here you go. We came from here and now we're here. So girls, you can come here and rest, drink tea or coffee. So here's everywhere have places like have a seat so you can rest, because it's a very big park, and I think your legs or your mind get tired, so you can have a rest everywhere. So girls, now we'll try to find something new. Maybe we'll find some area being there, so let's see. I think this park want to people work out literally, because here's everywhere upstairs, downstairs, upstairs, downstairs, and of course have a reason why like this. Why? Because this is mountain, and of course if you want to go up, you go upstairs. If you want to go down, you go downstairs, like this. So it's very good. I like active rest. Active rest, the highest place, and we're here. So you see girls, there is a lot of places for picnic, for your rest. It's really very convenient, because here is a lot of families and they came by big groups. So here is a lot of children, a lot of like old people. Of course they get tired faster and they need a rest. So here you go, like an old system of making olive oil, like this. Here it's like ancient, of course. So girls, now we're going to different place. It's named Antalya Street, Antalya district. Of course there is a lot of tourists, and especially Sunday, because like today is day off. There is not just tourists, there is local people. So, and we'll try to eat Turkish dessert there. So we'll see it's open or no. So girls, we came to Antalya district, and now we are walking, and I think we're going to dessert place. So we have to walk, çünkü we just made parking like our car, and we are walking. Here's a lot of people, you can see. So it's normal, because this is like one of the most popular place in Antalya. It's like centrum, so that's why everyone come here, especially Sunday, of course. Crossing the street, crossing the line. Here you go. This is the Russian metro. Literally. Gold, everywhere gold. Because here people have a sick of the gold. But it's a culture. Elsie Waikiki. So cute. So here you can see a lot of different markets, and a little bit later we all can see cafeterias and restaurants. Even Indian food here. Banks, change, everything. So here is everything, because here is touristic place. Another gold shop. Tuba. This is very good market, You know, girls, when I came to Turkey, I need Crocs. And me and my husband bought here my first Crocs. So like this street market, but I don't see sellers now. Maybe they're different location now. I don't know. But it was pretty good. I still have these Crocs, you know. Some renovations here. And we're continue our adventure. Oh, here, this market. So I bought my Crocs here. Just street market, but pretty well. So girls, we found it here. So I want to try here my favorite dessert. It's lokma. So like this. Kapalı? I think it's closed. Oh no! Girls, we're not lucky because it's closed. Yapacak bir şey yok. Like, what can we do? Nothing. Nothing. Okay, it's not a problem. We'll find a different place. Okay, we're continuing our searching. I'm joking. Actually, we're walking. If we'll find something nice, we'll try it. But we have a target. Come to one park. So here you go. Girls, mandarin on the street. Here you go. You can get some, but it's really sour, like really sour. Some booty, and of course a little traffic. Altın, of course, gold. Her yerde gold. Everywhere. Hello, my little friend. I told you, girls, you will see animals in all my vlogs.
Hello, welcome, baklava lokum.
Turkish dessert market. Some desserts, juice. Oh. So you can see Turkish desserts everywhere, girls. Of course. And here's so lezzetli. Oh, lezzetli, delicious. So here you go. We came to this place which I want to see today. Good luck. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Crossing the street. Okay, there is old city, like old town. Nesho. Yes. You see, girls. Tamam. Tamam. Now we came to Cat's World. Hello. So they have food, they have water. So it's not bad actually. Look at this. Have a good rest. Of course here like a smell. But it's okay because they're so cute. Like this. This is the oldest building in Antalya. One. Turkish art. Okay. I don't want to make shy him. Here is the old city. So one of the most popular square here. This place have an amazing view, girls. Amazing. So we'll come closer now. So girls, we came here and now we're enjoying our time here because here is really beautiful. Falan filan. So we decided to go back. Really like this street and this district, but a little bit crowd, you know. So many people. But it's not a problem because Sunday, as I said before, of course everyone wants to go outside and spend time outside, so it's normal. I hope you are enjoying your weekend, girls. So girls, we came to one fast food place, like it's named Doyo. They have tenders, burgers, like side dishes, and like bunch of sauces. So it's pretty good. Usually we taking this combo, like Friends combo, but today we wanted to try something new and we choose this. So I took this and my husband got this like original tenders, and we gonna switch it up and try together. So like this, here's a lot of different options, and here's like a combo meat burgers. You can get a beef and chicken together, so like this. And there is a main menu, doyo. So doyo. So we're gonna eat our lunch, and then I think we will go to our home area, or we'll go somewhere. I don't know, we don't have plans, and I'll let you know, girls. Now we're just waiting for our lunch and resting. Girls, we started to eat already. I just remember about show you girls what we eat. So we have it's like French fries, pasta, coleslaw. I almost finished it, and tenders, of course. So bon appetit, girls. So girls, biz came to bizim last station, like last stop. We came to one cafe. This cafe on the mountain. We just decided to drink chai and a little bit rest. I want to say thank you so much you joined me today, and thank you so much for your watching. I hope you are doing great, and see you in my next video. Bye.